If you're over 50, suffering with stiff or sore shoulders, this video is perfect for you. We're going to go through 5 exercises that you can do at home in about 4 minutes that are effective for improving range of motion and flexibility and helping relieve pain and stiffness. Hi, my name is Tommy Brennan. I'm the owner of the Pain and Performance Clinic based in Dublin, Ireland. If you enjoy evidence-based content to help you recover from pain and overcome injury, please feel free to like and subscribe. So, as we get a little bit older, we get more aches and pains. And a lot of the belief is that it's because of our age, when in actual fact, it's more to do with the fact that we don't stress our bodies as much as we used to when we were younger. Maybe it's our job or our lifestyle. We don't actually have to take our limbs through the ranges of motion that we would have naturally done as we played or exercised frequently. So for example, if you're a desk job and you're driving in and out to work or looking after kids, there might be very few reasons for you to have your shoulders up here like this. And if that doesn't happen, you can absolutely get stiff and achy and sore if you're just staying in the same positions for quite a long time. So this is to address that. Some of these movements might feel a little bit achy as you're doing it, but the more you do it, the better it will get. If you have any questions on this, please feel free to comment below and we'll get back to you. Let's get straight into the exercises. They're very time effective. You could be sitting at a desk or sitting at a table, and all you're going to do is start by sliding your hand down. Now, as you do that, if you follow your chest down, that's the equivalent of you putting your hand up over your head like that. So just slide your hand down, you roll with it. Very easy. You could do straight forward like that. You can move it down to here, feel a nice stretch up through your shoulder. Go to where it's tolerable for you. It shouldn't be very effortful. And then you could turn around and do that on the other side. So doing 20 of those can help with the range of motion there. Another very simple one that you can do is actually just take your shoulder through full range. Now, in clinic, when we get people doing this here, a lot of people think they're doing it, but they're not actually taking their shoulder to the range. And they're doing a lot of movement through the elbows without actually much movement happening in the shoulder. So for this, keep the elbows relatively straight, and you're trying to move freely and loosely. Get the arms all the way up and all the way down. Let them swing freely. And that's sometimes easier said than done if you haven't been doing that. But you doing that for 30 or 60 seconds can help your shoulders feel a lot looser. Third exercise that we are going to do, we're going to go into a wall push-up. So here, what you can do is push down and back like this. And what you can do is change the angle so you can get your hands up higher. Lower your body down towards the wall. And you can even vary the hand position. If you do that and turn your body away, you can get a lot of nice stretch and a little bit of work and activity through your shoulder. Another exercise you can do, which is very effective, is called the Crucifix exercise. So in this position here, what you're going to do is squeeze your shoulder blades together at the back. So you're pointing your thumbs back the way and squeezing your shoulder blades together, then you relax it. So squeeze your shoulder blades together for about 5 seconds and then relax it. Pushing your hands back as far as you can. Here in this position, you should feel the muscles in the back of your shoulder working nice and freely and loosely. So there are 4 very effective, quick and easy exercises you can do to help relieve shoulder pain and stiffness. Any questions or comments, please feel free to comment below and we'll get back to you.